Hi, I'm Tom from System Q, and if you are a security installer, then your customers are going to love this add-on for their system. It's a superb range of key fobs, keypads and receivers that are an ideal way to add low-cost, wire-free control for security devices, such as lights, bell boxes, door release mechanisms and even CCTV. This is the ZENDit range, featuring wireless key fobs in black or white with a 50 meter range and in 1, 2, 3 or 4 button options. 2-channel wireless battery powered keypads that use a 6-digit access code and have an effective up to 100 meters range, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. A choice of receivers that can be controlled by the key fobs, keypads or both, plus some natty little fob holders for either wall mounting or for attaching to your belt loop. You can use the range in domestic or commercial settings, but either way they add a great professionalism to your install and make it a doddle for customers to use. So let's take a look in a bit more detail at the ZENDit key fob and receiver range. This is 10 reasons why the ZENDit wireless key fob, keypad and receiver range is a perfect add-on to any security system. 1. The range covers everything you need for a complete wire-free access control setup, including the key fobs, keypads, a choice of receivers and even key fob holders, all working at the same 433.92 MHz frequency. 2. The key fobs come in 1, 2, 3 and 4 button models, all with a range of up to 50 meters, so you can use them to control up to 4 devices on a property, whether it's lights, garage doors, alarms, gates and so on. 3. The one-button key fobs are a popular choice as quick-use panic buttons, especially when paired up with these low-cost wall mount holders. 4. The wireless key fobs, keypads and receivers are all available in black or white, so they look smart in any domestic or commercial environment. 5. Each fob has a removable keychain plus a slide guard to help prevent accidental activation. As well as the wall mount holder, the ZENDit range also includes a key fob belt holder accessory, which is really handy for staff and can make keyless entry effortless. 6. The wireless keypads are battery powered, so you can install them wherever you need to and you don't have to worry about running a cable or power to them. 7. The keypads are also externally rated with a metal case, a clear hinged lid and illuminating buttons, so they're perfect for use outdoors and at night time. They're great for securing an outbuilding and they can even have multiple access codes programmed in for different users. 8. The one-channel receivers have a sleek, compact design that you could fit inside of other enclosures, such as alarm panels. Plus, every ZENDit receiver uses a rolling access code for extra security. 9. The 4-channel receivers also have 4 push-button controls, which can be used to simulate the 4 individual remote triggers to activate the 4 voltage-free relay outputs. 10. With normally open, normally closed relay outputs that can be selected as latching or non-latching, the ZENDit range can be used to control lighting, alarm systems, door and gate automation, and CCTV all at once. And that is the ZENDit range rundown. Key fobs, keypads and push-button receivers that can all add some great extra functionality to your security system. To buy some for yourself and to see the full spec for all of the ZENDit products, use the product codes from the next slide in the search bar over at systemq.com. Cheers!